being born again has become such a cliche in the church. It's almost like signing at the bottom of the page, now you've been born again, so now you're part of this church. There is so much more to being born again. And in verse 16, he says, therefore, from now on, we regard no one according to the flesh. I'm not looking at other people as according to their flesh, but there's something that the Lord stirred in me. Don't look to yourself according to your flesh. When you look at yourself, don't look at what you are and who you are in your flesh. Look at what I've done. He goes this far, Paul. He says, even though we have known Christ according to the flesh, so we have known Christ according to Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John's account of when he was on earth, he says, yet now we know him this no longer. We don't know Jesus according to the flesh now. We know him according to the risen Christ. He says, start thinking about yourself in this way.